All right, it's been about 7 days since I put on the worm casting tea, and my plants have pretty much exploded. I have even pruned some of these tomato plants. There's a thyme plant in there that I've got to cut back. This tomato plant is a monster. I keep trimming back this catnip and it just keeps growing and growing. I think this is a cantaloupe and a cucumber plant. I'm gonna have to pull one soon. I was just trying to decide which one was doing better. The beans are doing okay. This box has never produced well. All these plants seem to be doing all right. I keep overwatering on them because that is my curse. This tomato plant is just a monster. And this tomato plant is growing really well. I wasn't even sure it was gonna survive when I first put it in. Another cucumber plant that's growing. Cantaloupe. The strawberries are doing well. That tomato plant is just out of control. I do think though that the worm casting tea burnt some of the leaves. I'm not sure what's happening to that strawberry plant. But so next time I would probably do more of a fine mist sprayer and maybe even dilute it, and definitely put it on in the evening or the early morning when it's cool outside. I waited a bit too long to put it on, but I just didn't have the time to get it going when it was cooler. This tomato plant is just ginormous. This is all one plant and it has barely started flowering, so I'm gonna have to prune it. I know it's gonna get huge. These onion flowers are so cool. They don't smell like onions, thankfully. This box is sinking. The next time I replant in here, I need to add some more soil and compost. This other cucumber plant is doing really well. And the ground cherries seem to be growing still, so I guess that's good. Overall, I think the worm casting tea did its job. I will definitely do it again when it starts to cool off a little.